Space Windu here. I'm getting ready to test Emilio's repaired QUD-STAR. Now sometimes here at Civilized Sabers we actually don't just build brand new blades every time, sometimes there's a repair, right? So Emilio had a problem with his QUD-STAR. This is his QUD-STAR right here, and this is my friend Francis's lightsaber that I'm just testing with. It is a Crystal Focus 10, and so it can power, any pixel blade, and our QUD-STARs and tri-stars and even pentastars just work universally with whatever pixel saber that you do have. So I was thinking that I would just test Emilio's repaired QUD-STAR before I send it back to him. So we'll test it together. I had to replace some wires that were running from the LED strips to the PCB, and the reason for that was because they become disconnected with the PCB, so I ended up actually just changing out the QUD-STAR PCB for a brand new one, and I also just changed out the blade tube because I noticed the blade tube on Emilio's QUD-STAR was a bit beat up and stuff from the use and from the using the thumb screw on his lightsaber. So I just did a brand new tube, same tip, but I resanded the whole thing, so I'm going to test it out. This looks great. Now I did bench test this, which means I just have a tester on my workbench, and I just made sure each LED strip was lighting up as I connected it to the PCB, but I really need to do more of a stress test, so that's why I like to just twirl it around a little bit. Like a QUD-STAR's got 500 LEDs, pixel LEDs that are RGB. You can go to any different color that you want. And we just need to make sure that everything really works when you swing it, because that's the whole point of your lightsaber is I don't want the LEDs to go out when you're swinging it, right? Now I will resand this blade because I am using the thumb screw on Francis's lightsaber here to compress the blade tube of Emilio's QUD-STAR so that when I'm swinging it doesn't go flying out of there. But I will just sand it one more time before shipping it back to Emilio. That looks really good. Let's try maybe some other color here. Oh, I love red. Oh, red looks really good with this blade. Oh, the tip looks really good. Now I'm looking past the camera over to my full-length mirror so I can just see what you guys are seeing, hopefully. And I'm looking at a really good looking tip. I did this one a little bit different than the previous one. We're always kind of updating how we do the blades. If either me or Darth Reese figures out a new way to make the blade even just 1% better, we're always going to do that. And recently we figured out that these tips that we're now getting from the Saber Armory, they actually have enough space in there that we could fit a little bit of foam. So we're super happy when we can make the tips just a little more diffused. I just love that blaster deflect, the one that dissipates. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. I think it can pick it up. That is so sick. flash ends up being yellow. That's really cool.
Spectrum.
Ooh, white. That's wild. That's pretty wild. I like the green a lot. How about that cyan? Oh, I got purple. Okay, well, purple's cool too. Again, we're using like a lot of diodes. A lot of LEDs are on. We're making purple. A lot of diodes, just like 1,000 diodes on right now in this QUD-STAR. Now, pretty soon we are going to put out some videos that of like us making the TriStar, us making the QUD-STAR, and us making the PentaStar. So you guys can follow along from Civilized Sabers or get the kit, the QUD-STAR kit, which includes the 3D printed parts to actually lay your LEDs on top. And we'll show you how to use that in the video. But for now, make sure you're subscribed here. We are going to put out some videos on how to make these pixel blades pretty soon. I know Darth Reese has been editing a lot of that. So force push the thumbs up button. That really helps the video. Check out our Instagram. This blade looks pretty good.
It's the weapon of a Jedi.
I'm really happy with the smoothness of this. Sanding the brand new trans-white tube really worked out. And I'm super happy with the way it looks. Alright, Emilio, enjoy your repaired QUD-STAR, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up.
You don't know the power. You don't know the power.
The QUD-STAR.
You don't know the power.
The QUD-STAR.
Weapon of a Jedi.
Then I am a Jedi.